Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking to what we have to say. We got another video for you today. It's gonna be a good one. We're gonna talk about some tips on fitness and health, some tips on motivation, because it's gonna be like a 2-in-1 video today. So stay tuned for what's coming next. Gotta go finish up these 2 miles, then I'll see you at the next spot. Guys, welcome back. Excited for another video and to share these 3 things with you that's gonna help you improve your fitness gains. So the topic of the video today is 3 reasons why not to work out at night, because I prefer working out in the morning. As you can see, it's 6:30 a.m. here on the East Coast in Virginia. Morning workouts are the best, so I can recommend to you morning workouts. Never do mid-afternoon or late night workouts as many of you do, guys. Don't do them. Please don't do them, because you're simply just gonna waste your time, your energy, and your efforts. There's gonna come a sacrifice with morning workouts, yes, but if that's what you gotta do, you gotta do them, guys, to see the best gains possible and to stay lean all year round. So 3 reasons why not to work out at night. Number 1, as I mentioned to you, is a time waster. You're gonna waste your time. Number 2, your efforts are not really gonna show for the gains that you want. I shared 2 reasons with you, and I'm gonna share the last reason as we move forward. We finish these 2 miles and we head to the gym. I'll share the last reason, but let's continue with the 3rd reason why you shouldn't work out at night. Okay, why? Because you will not do the workout that you set out to do. So you will not stick to the plan. You know why? Because the energy that you have, you're gonna be tired, you're gonna be stressed, overwhelmed. So pretty much all you're gonna do at night is just gonna be 1 or 2 sets, 1 or 2 exercises, that's it. Then you're gonna think that you worked out, guys. And that's why you don't see progress, you don't see success, you don't see results when you work out at night or in the middle of the day. Because you already had all these things going on during your day that are gonna get you tired, and your workout's not going to be good. So this is why I recommend fully, strongly, 100% you work out in the morning. Hey, you gotta sacrifice, do it, guys. I wake up at 5 a.m. every day, Monday through Saturday, and I try to get my workout in before 9 a.m. every morning, sacrificing everything else. Why? Because that's the best type of workout. That's what gives you the energy, gives you the focus and the alertness for you to continue with your day. But not just that, guys. Why should you work out in the morning? Why? Because you're fasted and you sweat, you're burning your own body fat, and that's when you see more gains. Because look, when you work out in the afternoon, as you go through the day, you're eating through the day. You're eating 2-3 times a day, and so when you eat 2-3 times a day, you already have fat, you already have carbs, you already have extra storage in your body. So when you burn that extra storage, extra fat, that's simply gonna be what you already consumed. And so your actual body fat or body mass is not going to decrease at all, or is not gonna help you, because you're only tapping into the sources that you already ate, you already consumed. But when you work out in the morning and you're fasted, you don't have anything in your body. And so what is your body tapping into? Your body's tapping into that body fat, that actual fat that your body has. And that's when you see the results, because you burn that actual weight. You're not burning anything that you consumed. That is the difference. Why you should work out in the morning. It's the best time to work out, guys. Yeah, please fast. Please fast and work out. I want to challenge you to do this. And you can come back to this video, watch it again, and say it's true or not true. I'm lying or not lying. Change, if you're already working out, change your workout routine to the morning, fasted. Do it for 30 straight days. That's all it takes, 30 straight days. And you will definitely see absolutely 10 times more gains than what you already have. If you're already working out, if you're an expert or advanced and you want to change out your routine to see better gains. If you never worked out and you are in desperate need of losing weight or simply just seeing some progress in your fitness, work out in the morning, and I promise you, you'll lose a lot of weight and you'll see a lot of gains quickly. In 30 days, you'll see a major difference. So let's get ready to do this challenge. It's gonna be tough. It's 100 pull-ups in 15 minutes or less. 8:20 right now, so by 8:35 we gotta be done. I haven't done this before and I want to do it for you guys. So today's workout is going to consist of the challenge, which is going to be shown in the video, and the rest of the workout I'm not really going to show because I just think it's too long. How are we doing that? We're doing 10 sets of 10 pull-ups. We're taking only 3 breaks, guys. 3. So I want to challenge you. If you can do that, comment below. It's gonna be tough. 820, let's go. Guys, the point of these pull-ups is for you to finish it. There's a right way and a wrong way to do it. When we do these challenges, yes, we try to do the best that we can to do it the right way, in the right form. But if you're not doing it the right form, it's particularly not to worry about as long as you finish the challenge and the goal that you had. But yes, we gotta do it the right way as best as we can and as most as we can. But if not, that's fine as long as you finish it. So that's 10. Let's do 20. So try to go all the way down. Put your arm all the way down and simply lift yourself up. Don't go halfway. So that's 20. Let's do 30. Guys, I'm tired. That's 40. We'll do 50 and we'll take a break. Okay guys, let's take a quick break, but it doesn't have to be too long because we're right on time. So let me show you what time it is. It's 8:24. So we'll take a 2-minute break and we'll finish the last 5 sets of 10. Guys, we got up until 8:25 to rest and then 10 more minutes to finish the last set. 5 sets. By set number 5, you're already gonna be tired. The point is that you don't give up and you don't quit. You complete the challenge, as this is a challenge for a reason, to help you do something that you haven't done before. See, I can do these 100 pull-ups, but this is like one workout that takes about 30 minutes, you know, just an upper body, upper arm and body and bicep workout. On a regular day, it takes 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes just to do the 10, because we're doing it set by set, taking breaks between each set. But this is a challenge, so we gotta do it in 15 minutes or less, guys. 25. We did 5. Let's go. So we did 6. You may say, oh, it's only 100 pull-ups. Wow, anybody can do that, but can you do it in 10 minutes or less? 100 pull-ups, people don't do that 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It takes 30 to 40 minutes to do one workout. So let's do it, number 7. We still got some good time. We got 9, guys. One more. One more time. Put a countdown. Countdown. It stopped at 8:31, so we did it in 11 minutes, guys. Less than what I expected to do. What my expectation was in 15 minutes, we did it in 11 minutes, guys. That's it, guys. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a like. Help us boost the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe right there at the right bottom of the video.